Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, let's cook catfish pepper soup, which I went to the market. I got my catfish, then I bring it back home. I washed it thoroughly, then I bring out the dirty inside the catfish. I change the water for the second time. You can see how clean the water is. So here I'm done washing the fish. Then I bring out the pepper that I got. So I want to wash the pepper. Yeah, I'm only using pepper. We are making pepper soup. I don't have to add tomatoes to it. So I use only pepper for my pepper soup. Catfish. Then I rinse it. I set it aside. I added ginger and garlic, which is fresh. I added it to the pepper. So here I started putting it inside my blender so that I can blend it smooth. And I added onion. Then I blended everything together. So guys, note, since it's pepper soup that I want to make catfish, so the pepper is going to be very smooth. So I need the pepper to be smooth. So I'm done blending my pepper. So on to the next, I'm bringing out all the ingredients, the spices that I want to use. That is garlic powder, that is thyme, that is nutmeg, that is pepper, that is black pepper, that is curry. So and the rest of my ingredients, I have all kitchen purpose. I have pepper soup spicy, Maggi is there, and salt. So these are the ingredients that I want to use for the pepper soup. So my water is already boiled that I'm going to use in peeling the body of the fish. So then I pour it. Note, if you want to use this water, you have to make the water has to be very boiled before you pour it to your fish, or else if it's not boiled, it's not going to peel the skin. You can see how the skin is peeling. So we are not going to eat the fish with the skin like that. So that is not going to give you this thicky vibes that is going to make your pepper soup to be thickened, drawing. So the remaining water that I use, I pour it inside my pot. Then I added the pepper that I blended. I added it inside the pot. I first of all go in with my curry. Then I added ginger and garlic powder. Then I added thyme. Then I added my nutmeg. And I added this Ghana pepper. I added hot pepper also. I added all kitchen purpose. Then this is the main subject of the day, which this is the main spicy. This is pepper soup spicy. Then I added Maggi and salt. And I stir everything together. First of all, what I was going with is the head of the fish, which I'm turning the back side. If you place the front side at the back, it's going to burn. So and the fish is not going to get done, and your pepper soup is going to burn. So I started placing the other parts, but the main part that needs to go first is the head. So after putting everything inside the pot, I cover it. Then this is the scent leaf that I want to add. So I first of all washed it. Then I started slicing it. So I bring out another onion, which I've peeled the back. So I slice it also together with the scent leaf. That is what I'm going to pour next. So here, the fish is almost ready. So I want to add my scent leaf and onion. Yeah, I'm trying to let the water cover the scent leaf and the onion. Then I cover it. So here My pepper soup is ready. Guys, you can see the face of the pepper soup. Come and join me. Thank you for watching. Thank you for subscribing, and thank you for the likes. Thank you for always being there for me. I'm really grateful. And if you have not subscribed, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel, so you'll be the first to be notified anytime I upload a new video. Guys, thank you.